for the mothers, even for the fathers, for some of them, it can be quite stressful waking up your child. But they need to learn this very important skill in life. That is, they need to take responsibility for their lives. They need to start waking up on time. I'm not saying stop parenting in every aspect, but this is certainly one thing you should stop parenting. Anybody who's got a child who's 11 plus years, stop waking them up. Get them an alarm clock, maybe just a standard regular alarm, and ask them to set it up and wake up and to get ready, okay, for school. So when I'm saying they should set up the alarm initially for 1 or 2 days till the habit, just to get them going, you can be a second line of support to wake up. It's just for 1 or 2 days, because you don't want to throw a shock into their life saying that, okay, from tomorrow you wake up on your own. You can tell them, you know what, tomorrow you wake up on your own. I'm going to come back and just check on you for 1 or 2 days, but after that you're on your own.